Hi, I'm Krishna. Today I'm going to explain the mushroom fried rice.
Okay, tell Krishna.
Ghee,
Okay.
coriander,
Okay.
turmeric,
Hmm.
cinnamon stick,
Hmm.
jeera,
Hmm.
onion,
Hmm.
coriander,
Hmm.
curry leaf,
Okay.
garlic,
Hmm.
is sanjeera,
Sajira. Hmm. Then
salt,
next.
rice,
Okay.
pepper,
Hmm.
and mushrooms.
Okay. Are you going to start?
Okay. You can do that. It's so sticky. First I put cinnamon stick and then sajira and jeera, garlic,
Okay. Add curry leaf.
curry leaf. Coriander. Coriander, garam masala. Garam masala. So this is mushroom fried rice. If you have any doubts, please write in the comment section. I will reply to me. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video. Bye. This is the mushroom fried rice. ఒకవేళ ట్రై చేయండి డౌట్స్ ఉంటే కామెంట్ సెక్షన్లో రాయండి థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్ ఫర్ వాచింగ్ అండి సీ ఇన్ ద నెక్స్ట్ వీడియో బాయ్